my goodness, do you see how she's slanging those hair? This hair is really beautiful and very easy to make. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this mini puff bubble hairstyle on my 21-month-old baby girl. So if you're interested in that, kindly sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end. But if you're new here, do us that favor, join the family by subscribing to our channel. And for my returning subscriber, I say a big welcome back to you guys. So let's dive into it. This tutorial is easy to do, super simple to make. Even if you don't know how to braid at all, anyone can master this hairstyle just by looking at this video. So I started by moisturizing our hair with clove water. Afterwards, I moisturized it with Cantu leave-in conditional, the argan oil, shea butter. This is very good for the hair. And then I make sure to spray the rubber bands with some oil. That's also my DIY oil. You can use any oil that you have. This is just to help prevent hair breakage. Then I section the hair into smaller parts. You can make your parts bigger, but this is the regular part that I really want for this hair. Then I also spray the DIY oil directly to our scalp. So this is the hair extension I use. Afro twist hair. I got this from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link of how you can get yours. This is the 24 inches and I just cut it into two and still divided that half into half, if that makes sense. Just look through the video, you're gonna get it. So I actually did some off camera because I don't want to make this video too long, but trust me, you're gonna get this. What I did was to use my regular crochet pin to pass through the afro hair into her hair. Please take note that the first rubber band, the first one that I did, was not so tight. You know, this is to prevent her having any damage afterwards because we are dealing with rubber bands here. So all I'm just doing is just to give gaps and keep applying different colors. You can just be creative, different colors of rubber bands, and you know, just to form the puff. That's pretty much about the hair. So I'm going to leave you to continue to watch. Is very self-explanatory. All I did was to use the crochet pin to pass through the afro hair to her hair like the normal crochet way, and then I was using the rubber bands to section the hair, if that makes sense. Yes, just look at the video. It's very easy to make. The afro hair is almost seeming to her hair, and I try to cover it, like cover the hair, her hair inside, so that it doesn't reveal outward. All right guys, this video is very self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna leave you to continue to watch and enjoy this lovely music I'm gonna be playing at the background. Yeah, just follow through to the end, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So what's your thought about this hairstyle? Are you gonna be making this on your toddler? Let me know in the comment section. Also, I would put all the products that I use for this hairstyle in the description box, so you might want to check it out after this video. I would like to give a big hug to Go the Beaut. Yeah, that's her name. She's watching all the way from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching this video and for liking it here. Let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a hug in my next one. All right, please continue to watch this video and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.